this portrait of Kim Jong-un. And if I did him...
You wouldn't last even one day in the wild. This is your natural habitat.
Is this your seat?
I swear it was not me, it was not me! Fuck. What the fuck? Yeah!
We're almost to victory. Keep... fuck, I just farted and a little bit of poop dripped out. I can fucking feel it.
So, I think I need to extend this, because...
Yeah, change the I got 50, I got 54 now.
Like this?
Wow.
How do I make it across? I literally have no idea how to make it across, like that. Oh, no, no!
Do it, lad!
Squidward said I could help by burying myself.
Quit fooling and come on out. I need you to be in the commercial.
Come with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination.
O cholera, czy to Freddy Fazbear?
Beautiful fucking dog.
What's her name?
Niga.
What's that?
Niga. The name?
Wait, how do you say it?
Niga. N-I-G-A. Niga.
N-I-G-A?
Yeah.
That's her name.
That's her name. Niga.
Wow. Beautiful. Welcome to Ibiza.
There's a German Shepherd named Niga. Fucking. What? I didn't write the rules.
Right, if we just lay it out like this, it might be a nice little like way of making an entry or something. I don't know. Looks like nice flowers though on this him. Right. Oh shit.
I created this personalized air filter for people that really care about the air that they breathe. At the top here are two plugs that go into your nose that filter the air coming in. Breaths of fresh air. In the future, with one purchase of one of these air filters, comes a free armband that says, "I'm the solution." As in, I'm the solution to pollution. Is there a problem right now?
Gee, Franklin, what did you do? Wake up on the wrong side of the floor this morning?
Very funny, Bear.
I know. Maybe you put your shell on the wrong way.
All right, that's it.
Would you mind being in a video?
No, that'd be fine.
Alright, so pick a number between 1 and 10.
Let's say 7.
7? Well, it's your lucky day. You just won brand new AirPod Pros.
Wow, you're kidding me. Really?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah.
Why?
You won. Nothing, you won.
How come?
You win. Have a good one. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Go have fun. Go have fun. Hey, so which one is yours?
Oh, I'm still choosing.
transmitter? Oh yeah, I must have left it in my truck here. Here, let's take a time out. No. Get out! Hey, Ron! Ron, the squirrel's in the plane! The squirrel is taken off in the plane!
You know, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide.
Wow, Good. They honestly what the? Oh no! No! False! 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 Everybody in the fucking street better click false!
Hi.
What's wrong, kid?
I just got bullied for being gay.
Oh yeah? What's about to happen again?
The fuck?
Hacksaw.
Long before time had a name.
Hey, watch out, let me try.
Man, not again.
Dr. Gabriel, o nome da...
I don't know.
The bass on my Google Home device is way too loud. Something's wrong with it. Just listen to this. Hey Google, play After Party.
Max, what is Squidward Hentai and why did you spend $500 on it this month?
The weapons are still weird. Like if they had like the old school Scar or something, like is that a controller?
We can go now. Okay.
I'm Hulk and I will defeat you!
Okay, my turn.
I am the Hulk. I am Abomination.
Oh, I'm the Hulk. I'm so sad. I don't know how to defend myself. My God.
Huh?
My brother. Hey, yeah, just do your job, mate.
Alright, it's £2 please.
You have to have Apple Pay.
Yep, it's £2 please.
Just keep the change.
What the hell is that?
Oh no, boy, you're straight dog. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You're trash at this game. I told you I'm the Uno God for real. I'm the Uno God, bro. I'm telling you. Come on, hurry up. I'm trying to end this game real quick. Hold on. This one. Okay. Oh. Nigga, slow down. Hold on. I'm still drawing. Yo, bro, chill. I'm still drawing. Fuck this game.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay? You okay?
Dude, you want some chocolate now? I'm trying to get the simple.
I'm good, bro. I'm fucking... Oh! Jesus! Fucking! Oh! Fuck! Yo, you fucking disgusting! Not joke! Yeah, it is.
Congratulations! You have won the government contract. The Air Force will need 10,000 more of those baby jets immediately.
10,000? Mary?
So thick, smooth, oh, and
can't just piss here, dude. Come on, Captain Crunch. Give me a sign. Oh, shit.